Understanding text structure is crucial for both reading comprehension and effective writing. In this section, we will explore various text structures commonly used in informational texts, their characteristics, pros and cons, and provide examples to illustrate each structure. Introduction to text structure. Text structure refers to how information within a written text is organized. This organization plays a pivotal role in helping the reader understand the material. The choice of structure depends on the writer's goal, the content, and the audience's needs. Example of text structure. Let's consider a simple example, a history textbook chapter about World War II. The chapter might begin with a chronological structure, starting from the events leading up to the war, progressing through major battles, and concluding with the war's aftermath. This structure helps students understand the sequence of events and their impacts over time. Types of text structures. Chronological order. This structure presents events in the order they occurred. It is commonly used in narratives, history texts, and processes. Pros. Helps clearly see the timeline of events or steps in a process. Cons. Not suitable for topics where the relationship between ideas or events is more important than the order in which they occur. Cause and effect. This structure explains reasons why something happened followed by the consequences. Pros. Essential for understanding the linkage between various elements of a topic. Cons. Can become confusing if multiple causes and effects are intertwined without clear distinctions. Compare and contrast. This structure identifies similarities and differences between two or more subjects. Pros. Enables deep understanding by analyzing how subjects are alike and different. Cons. May lead to oversimplification of subjects if not enough detail is provided. Problem and solution. This structure presents a problem followed by solutions to resolve it. Pros. Highly engaging as it encourages critical thinking and problem solving. Cons. Can be biased if the presentation favors a particular solution. Descriptive. This structure provides detailed information about a topic, describing features, characteristics, or examples. Pros. Enhances understanding through detailed descriptions and elaborations. Cons. Can become overwhelming if too much information is included without sufficient focus. Elaboration text structure. Elaboration involves expanding on a main idea with details, examples, or explanations. For instance, in discussing the chronological structure of our World War II chapter, we might elaborate by detailing the specific strategies used in key battles, or the political changes that occurred as a result. Analysis of a text passage. Consider the following passage from an informational text about ecosystems. The rainforest ecosystem is characterized by high rainfall, diverse species, and a dense canopy. The interdependence of organisms in this ecosystem is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Analysis. Structure. Descriptive. The passage provides information about the rainforest ecosystem's key characteristics. Effectiveness. The structure effectively conveys what makes the rainforest unique and important, focusing on rainfall, biodiversity, and interdependence. Improvements. Could include more specific examples of interdependent species or discuss the impact of external threats like deforestation. Conclusion. Understanding and using the appropriate text structure can significantly enhance the effectiveness of written communication. By choosing the right structure, writers can ensure that their audience understands the information clearly and retains it more effectively. As students and educators, recognizing these structures not only aids in comprehension but also improves one's ability to communicate ideas more proficiently.
This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. Click the subscribe button to be notified when new videos are added. Find free adult education instructional materials at edtech.dnjdesigns.org.